Y'all know what to do. Smash the like button. Let's get this video to 50 likes. Can we do it? Yes, we can. So smash the like button. I'd really appreciate it. And subscribe if you haven't already. And turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time on a video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. everybody, that wraps up the video. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes, we can, so smash the like button. I'd really appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm, so smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. It helps out with the channel massively. And comment which out of the drawing. Don't be afraid to comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Yoichi Isagi from Blue Lock. Hope you all enjoyed as much as I did. This is the volume cover for volume 1 of the manga, so hope you all enjoyed as much as I did. I had a lot of fun making this drawing, and I really love how dynamic the poses for this drawing and how concentrated he looks. But overall, I really love the outcome of the drawing, and hopefully you all enjoyed as much as I did. I'm going to be linking to my drawing playlist in the description, which I highly recommend that you check out, because I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn before that you may really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description. And if you want to see more Blue Lock drawings, let me know by smashing the like button. But yeah, everybody, hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe. Until next time, everybody, peace.